Feeling tired all the time is one of the most common health complaints in the USA and Europe. Millions of people wake up exhausted, struggle through the day, and still don't know what's draining their energy. Today, we're diving deep into doctor-approved reasons why you feel tired, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it naturally. Health-related videos like this are essential for your well-being, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for more important health advice like this. Number 1. Poor sleep quality. You might think you're getting 7 to 8 hours, but the quality of your sleep matters just as much as the duration. Common causes in the USA and EU include too much screen exposure before bed, stress and racing thoughts, drinking caffeine late in the day, sleep interruption. Create a sleep routine. Keep your room cool and dark, reduce screen time 1 hour before bed, and avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Number 2. Vitamin deficiencies. Many people in the USA and Europe are low in vitamin D, B12, iron, and magnesium, all directly linked to energy. Low B12 may cause brain fog and weakness, while low iron leads to anemia, making you feel exhausted even after rest. What to do? Ask your doctor for a blood test, especially if you're vegan, older, or live in low sunlight areas. Supplement only under medical guidance. Number 3. Chronic stress and high cortisol. Stress makes your body produce cortisol continuously. Over time, this drains your energy, disrupts sleep, and weakens your immune system. What to do? Use stress reduction techniques like deep breathing, walking, meditation, or spending time outdoors. Even 10 minutes helps. Number 4. Not enough physical activity. It may sound strange, but being inactive makes you more tired. Regular movement increases circulation, improves sleep, and boosts endorphins. What to do? Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of light exercise, even simple walking. Consistency matters more than intensity. Number 5. Poor diet and blood sugar imbalance. Sugar or highly processed foods lead to energy spikes and crashes. Common food culprits: sugary breakfast cereals, white bread and pastry, soda and energy drinks. What to do? Focus on balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and whole grains. Number 6. Dehydration. Then mild dehydration causes tiredness, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Many people in the USA and Europe drink more coffee than water. What to do? Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add electrolytes if you're active or live in a hot climate. Number 7. Thyroid problem. Hypothyroidism is common, especially in women over 40. Signs include fatigue, weight gain, hair loss, feeling cold, depression. What to do? If you notice these symptoms, ask your doctor about a thyroid panel. TSH, T3, T4. Number 8. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is common in men and women and often goes undiagnosed. Symptoms: loud snoring, waking up gasping, morning headaches.
Feeling tired even after long sleep. What to do? A sleep study can diagnose it. Treatment can dramatically improve energy levels. Number 9. Mental health conditions. Anxiety and depression can make you feel drained emotionally and physically. Fatigue is often the first symptom people notice. What to do? Talk to a professional if your tiredness is accompanied by sadness, overthinking, or loss of interest in daily activities. Number 10. Chronic medical conditions. Some hidden issues may include diabetes, autoimmune disease problem, chronic infection, hormonal imbalances. If your fatigue lasts more than 4-6 weeks, seeking medical evaluation is essential. Final message: feeling tired all the time isn't normal, and it's not something you should ignore. By understanding the root cause, whether it's sleep, diet, stress, or something medical, you can take control and restore your natural energy. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And remember, your health matters more than anything.